This is a Photoshop tutorial video trying to explain how to create a picture that looks a little bit like this. It's a new ride that you have to come up with that's come to the park, and it's your job to make some promotional material that's going to go in a magazine, or in this case it's going to go on an electronic screen. There's quite a few adjustments we're going to be making to a photo, a lot of background removal and a lot of different effects we're going to be putting into a photo to combine different elements, and this is a pretty typical example of the kind of work that the GCSE students get up to. We're going to be using this piece of software here. It's called Photoshop, and you will need the two assets from Moodle to get started. One is a picture of a ride. This is a picture of a ride that I found for this guide, and the second is a picture of some American West background scene. And the theme is there's a new ride launching and you have to come up with a promotional photo shot with adjustments made to both images with a caption. And in this case I've put in a lens flare, changed the color of this section here, put in some text with a different font and a background style, and removed the background from the main ride here. There's actually a little subtle glow on this as well, but that didn't come out too strongly. So anyway, you start off in Photoshop, you go File, New, give your project a name. I called the ride the Wild West Express. Might as well give it the same name here, Wild West Express. The settings for the canvas that we're going to be working in is going to be measured in pixels because this is going to be an electronic product. The width is going to be 1024 and the height is going to be 768 pixels. It doesn't matter what the background color is going to be, but you want the color mode set to color, which is 8-bit RGB color, so that you can actually make changes to it. Press OK when you're done, and your new canvas will be created. There won't be anything on the canvas yet, just a big white blank box. So what you'll want to do then is go File, Place, and there's two images that you're going to want to place in this order. The one in the background is going to be the American West, and the other one is going to be the ride. Make sure you've made a folder for these files that you've downloaded. I've made one in my Year 8 computing in Ride Creation. And we're going to start with the American West that goes in the background. You just press Enter when you're happy to put it. The images that I've done for you, they are the same size as the canvas, so you won't find any problems there. Press Enter when you're done, and you've placed it in a layer. The next one needs placing as well. File, Place, and pop the ride in as well. The ride, again, I've already made it the right size for this piece of work, so you can see that there won't be any issues there. Press Enter again, and that's gone in. The background doesn't even need to be there anymore, so you can select the background layer. If you can't see layers, just double click on layers and you'll be able to see it there. You can bin the background. It doesn't actually need to be there, and you can press Don't Show again. So you'll have two layers now, and both can be shown and hidden. And we're going to start making adjustments to the ride layer. The first thing we're going to want to do is strip away this background here.